Hello, today I'm going to show you how to create this pattern. Let's open a new document, set the stroke and the fill to none, and then click on the line segment tool, hold, and select the polar grid tool. Now double click on it to open the dialog box. Set the concentric dividers to 11 and the radial dividers to 4. Click OK. Now click on the artboard, hold and drag. With everything still selected, go to the Shape Builder tool. Select any color that you like and click on every other ring to create shapes. Switch to a different color and do the same with the bottom part. Then press and hold down the Alt key to switch to the minus option and drag your mouse across all the other lines to delete them. Select everything, right-click and choose Ungroup. And repeat this one more time. Select the black rings and move them up. Then switch to the outline mode. Now select the bottom rings, switch to the Shape Builder tool and delete the lines that connect the bottom rings together. Select the pink rings, group them together, and do the same with the black rings. Next, rotate the bottom part by 90 degrees. Now move the top part so these two anchor points are aligned. Next, we will move the rings to create a gap where they will overlap. We would like to set the move value to be exactly half the width of the pink ring. To measure the distance, select the pen tool and draw a line from this anchor point to this one. Then open the Transform panel to see what the width value is. In my case, it is 26.32. Next, divide it by 2 and we'll get the correct distance. With the pink rings selected, go to Object, Transform and choose Move. Change the vertical value to 0 and the horizontal value to the number we've calculated before. Click OK. Now select the black rings and do the same. Go to Object, Transform, Move, but this time reverse the numbers. Type 13.16 for the vertical move and 0 for the horizontal move. Select everything and using the Shape Builder tool, delete the pink parts that overlap with the white background. Now select everything, go to Pathfinder and choose Unite, or with the Shape Builder tool still selected, click, hold and drag to unite everything. Next we'll create a tile. Let's make a copy and rotate it by 90 degrees. Select everything, make a copy and rotate it again. Select everything, scale it down and drag this design into the Swatches panel. We can delete all this. To edit the pattern, double-click on this new pattern swatch. Make sure the tile type is set to grid and the size tile to art icon is checked. And we are done. If you wish to change the color, select everything and choose a different color. Now either press the Escape key on your keyboard or click on this arrow to exit the editing mode. Make sure the fill is set to this new swatch and then draw any shape that you like. Our pattern is fully editable. To make any changes, double-click on this new pattern swatch to open the Pattern Options window. Now switch to the Direct Selection tool and select everything. If you wish, you can add a gradient, for example, and change the type to radial. Let's undo it. We can also edit individual segments. First, select one of the squares, then right-click and choose Ungroup. And repeat this with the other 3 squares. Now we can select some of the parts and change the color, for example. The possibilities are endless. Just play with it and have fun. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.